Good morning, students.
Good morning,
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning once again. Good morning to all. As you all know that we have already started our chapter. Granth will tell me because his camera is off, so I need to ask the question from him only. Yes, Granth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, why your camera was off? Because you not at your place, right? Granth, you tell me. In trip to Bhopal, we have already discussed what we have already done in our last class. My dear Granth, I think for this you no need to take much time. What we have already done in this chapter.
If we go to Gopal, what will we plan?
Okay, then what topic, what concept we have learned, one topic we have done in our last class.
Ma'am, can I say?
And I have sent the worksheet also on the basis of that. Yes or no, other children? You all got the worksheet?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What was the topic written on that worksheet?
Trip to
Addition. Addition.
Yes, Grant and Divit, please. Grant, Divit and Nishwa, turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, can I say what did you do in the last class?
Yes.
In the last class, you tell us how to plus with zero
Only with the zero?
and other numbers too.
Yes. When there is a zero, how you will get the answer when you add numbered with the zero, when you add one to any number, right? When you change the order of the numbers, how you will get the answer. So all the properties related to the addition was explained by me in the last class. Now we are going to start the new next operation, second operation number 2, which is subtraction. Subtraction, first starting with the subtraction.
Ma'am, your screen is blurred.
Wait a minute. I'm going to log in with the new.
Ma'am, your screen is not blurred. It is perfect.
Wait a minute. I want to log in from the new next ID and then you please let me know.
Okay.
Please check now.
It is not blur only. It is okay. Perfect was it? No, no, no. Now it is also perfect.
Let everyone join. Yes, now it is perfect. Tej Kumar, now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to do the subtraction operation today. In subtraction, the properties of subtraction are if you subtract 0 from any number. For example, I will start with the larger numbers because now in grade 4 we are doing all the operations with the larger numbers, not with the small numbers, not with 2 digit or 3 digit. It can be 4 digit or 5 digit numbers. So if we add 6,000, subtract 6,789, if we subtract 0 from this number, means you were having this, you take it as anything. This is your clothes, number of clothes or number of chocolates or number of anything. If you have 6,789 and you're not subtracting anything, zero means nothing. If you're subtracting nothing from this, किसी को कुछ भी नहीं दे रहे हैं, so what will be your answer? Please raise your virtual hand. This is the wrong concept which you are learning, that if any number multiplied by 0 will be remaining 0 with you, Tej Kumar. If you have 10 chocolates, you have given 0 chocolates to anyone, how many chocolates are left with you?
10.
So This is same like if you have this much chocolate, 6,789, and you have given nothing to anyone. You have subtracted nothing from that number. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, the answer is 6,789.
Yes, same answer. When you subtract 0 from any number, the same answer will be your answer because you are not subtracting anything from that number. Then it will be the same answer. Got it? The zero property is clear to you all? Yes, Moksh.
Ma'am, I was telling if there is no 9 and 0, so we will cut down the 0 and add 10, and the 8 will also cut down and it will be 7.
Which number you are telling?
Ma'am, if it was 6,780 and minus 9, so we will do, means we...
Yes. That is the another operation. This so you know how to subtract. This I will teach you in my next topic. First of all, I am doing the basic concepts. 0 with 1. Okay.
Ma'am, I was telling that about that 0. That if
Yes. Now, if you subtract 1 from any number, what will be the answer? You have learned if you are adding 1 to any number, you are getting the successor of that number. If you are subtracting 1 from any number, you are getting the Vedant will tell me. His mic, his camera is off.
Ma'am, predecessor.
Predecessor. So what will be the answer when you subtract 1 from this number?
It will be 6,788.
Aradhya will tell me. Aradhya, is Vedant is right?
Yes, ma'am, it is right.
Vihan, is Vedant right?
yes, ma'am, Vedant is right. If we minus from this is right.
This is right. If we minus 1 from any number, we will get the predecessor of that number.
If we
Now,
predecessor.
if first we done with 0, then we done with 1. Now, if same number will be subtracted from the same number. अब your 10 chocolates they send के 10 ही किसी को दे दिए. What will be your answer?
Ma'am, 0.
Ma'am, 0.
Yes, Mantra, what will be your answer?
Ma'am, 0.
Yes,
Ma'am,
0.
0.
Same number subtracted from the same number, we will get the answer 0. Now, I will tell you what to call these numbers, the terms used for these numbers. For example, if I want to subtract 8,649 and from this number we subtract 4,425. Always remember, when you are subtracting, the bigger number will come first and the smaller number will come next. Sometimes it comes subtract. Question come like this: subtract 4,425 from. ये word भी आपको दिखने को मिलेगा. 4,425 from 8,649. The from word is saying कि this bigger number में से ही आपको इसको लिखना है. For many times, wait a minute. Many times the student, what the mistake they do, they write जो पहले number है, they write that number first, and then the second number जो है, they write the second number next, and then they try to subtract it. That will be wrong. Is my board clearly visible till here?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if you write this number first and write the second number next and then try to subtract it, then it will be wrong. Okay, that you will learn in grade in your higher grades कि minus में भी आता है, but in your level you will always write the bigger number first and then subtract it. Okay, so we write this number first and then we subtract 4,425 from that number. Till here it is clear to you all? Sign of subtraction is this one, minus sign. And the bigger number is called minute, M-I-N-U-E-N-D. The bigger number is called what? Minute. And the answer in the subtraction, for example, 9 minus 5 is what? Please do this. 4. This is
2.
2. This is
2.
2. And this is
4.
So 4224 is your answer. The answer in subtraction is always called what? The answer in subtraction is called what? Yes, this child will tell me. Niva will tell me. Niva. The answer in the subtraction is called what? उसका कोई नाम होता है.
Answer in the subtraction.
Yes, it's called what?
Answer in the subtraction is called answer.
For example, we
It
have
has a name. Okay, you are asking the name.
Yeah, it's having a name. And we have learned in our last class. Wait. We have learned in our last class the answer in addition is called what?
Multiplication.
Answer in addition is called multiplication, Tej Kumar. Excellent.
Ma'am, sum.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, the answer of subtraction name is subtract.
No. Yes, Manya. Sum in
addition. Sum.
In addition, we call the answer sit properly, Granth. Sit properly. You are not here for sleeping. Answer in addition is called sum. So the answer in subtraction is called what?
Submission. Also sum.
No. It's called
Subtraction.
no.
And subtrahend.
Subtrahend is this one, the smaller number. That will be my next concept. Subtrahend. As subtrahend come from the word subtraction. Subtrahend, H-E-N-D, not H-A-N-D. Subtrahend the smaller number. Minute is the bigger number. And what is the answer called in subtraction? Yes, Mantra.
Ma'am, difference.
Very good. The answer in subtraction is called difference. दो number का difference निकाला है आपने. What is the difference between this and this? If I compare two numbers like Manya and me, or I compare two persons, what is the difference between this and this? क्या difference है? क्या changes है? क्या नया है? So this is the difference. The answer in the subtraction is called difference. Got it? And bigger number is called minute. Learn these spellings. The smaller number in subtraction is called subtrahend. S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D, subtrahend. I will ask when I take the CET, and I will ask in my coming classes these terms. If you forget these terms, then see. Minute, subtrahend, difference. You need to focus on the terms. Now, when you subtract, or this statement is given like this, less than word is given. So what you do in that case? Yesterday we have done more than, added. These words we have done, and in that case we were adding. But if you have these words less than, 1234 less than 9999. In this case, what you will do? You have to subtract. What you will do? Please turn on your mics and tell me.
Subtract.
From this big number, you need to subtract this number. Yes, less than word is there. Now comes the word problems. Word problems, when you will see how much left. Okay. Left word is there. Remaining word is there. How much remaining? Left. Or any other idea? You will tell me which words you will find. Difference word you will find. Find the difference between two numbers. In that case also you will do the minus. You will do the subtraction. The other name of subtraction is minus. And in that case also how much left? How much left? Remaining difference is these numbers are given to you. In that case you can get the hint that इसमें मुझे subtraction करना है, because when I take the CET, because I am going to teach you all the 4 operations in this chapter, but when I take CET I will mix all the word problems of concept like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. I will mix all the word problems in that. So how you will identify whether this is a word problem or a story problem of subtraction or that? You need to focus on these some words and you need to understand the language of the question also. Got it? For example, now the question is this. In that question, how you will find out that whether it is a question of subtraction or addition. I'm going to write this question here. Story problems, it is compulsory. I explain you in addition also compulsory to write the statement. Am I clear you all? In story problems, it is compulsory to write the statement also. For example, this is a question given. There is a boy, Gaurav. Is a story given about the Gaurav. Gaurav, I'm not writing the full question. Gaurav wants to buy a car. To buy a car. And the cost of the car is 2,97,340. This is the cost of the car. But he is having some money with him, which is rupees 1,67,120. The cost of the car is this, but he is having this much amount. How much more amount he required to buy a car? Here, how much more word is coming? What you will do in this case? He is having this much. For example, if you are going to buy a chocolate, the cost of chocolate is 20 rupees. You have only 12 rupees with you. How much more amount you need to buy the chocolate? आपको 20 पे reach करना है. You have only 12 rupees. How much more?
Ma'am, 8 rupees more.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So
we will
how
do
you have find out?
subtraction.
Yes. How you have find out? By subtraction. 8 rupees more. In this case, what will be the price? Can you all subtract this and find the answer? I think Dhyan Patel is just coming and sitting in my class. When I will ask, he will be not attentive. Tell me the answer of this. How much more amount he needs? Do it in your back page of your notebook or in the rough notebook and find the answer. Yes.
Ma'am, I know.
Yes,
I can do it rough notebook.
Ma'am, 1,30,220.
22.
So you have started from here, Tej Kumar, when you were subtracting the number?
No, ma'am.
We always please write the place values at the top. 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So it will be 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 2 is, Dhyan Patel, what is 4 minus 2? 2. Yes. Next is Niva. Next, what we need to do? What do we need to do next step?
What? Ma'am, I can't hear you.
So what are you doing from the last half an hour in my class? From last half an hour, you're not.
But when I on my mic, that's why I can't hear you.
So you off your mic, listen me first, and then give me the answer. What is the next step I will do now?
What is the next step? By addition of 12 plus 8
I am not doing addition from the last half an hour. I am doing subtraction.
Yes, subtraction.
So what is 3 minus 1?
3 minus 1 is 2.
Yes, I request you children be please alert in the class. Not divert your mind. Yes, Aradhya, next step.
Ma'am, I cannot see written.
This is the
Yes.
common problem you children are facing. I cannot see you, I cannot hear you. And that only the problem comes once I ask the question. Before that, you
Ma'am,
all are
I
normal.
cannot see the board properly.
So before that, it was everything was normal because you were not telling me anything. When I ask, then the problem comes.
Ma'am, but it is looking blurred.
Now check.
Ma'am, can I say? Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now it's proper.
yes, Aradhya. Then tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 7 minus 7, it will come 0.
Next is Kashvi.
Ma'am, 9 minus 6 will come.
What will come? What will come 9 minus 6 now?
3.
Let me take the attendance for a minute. Three. And next will Mantra will tell me 2 minus 1.
Ma'am, 1.
Yes. This was the simple subtraction which you have done. You have not borrow anything from anyone. Now we do one borrow sum also. And please do full worksheet in your notebook with the question and answer. And please write the statement in the word problem. It is compulsory to write. For example, there are two numbers 4675 and 4675. No, wait, I take 974, subtract from 4675. So when you write this number, yes.
So I was able to see you now, but now I'm not able to see you. Till now I was able to see you.
Now
No, ma'am.
board is not visible.
You
Pin
are
on my
only
board.
not visible.
I am though not doing anything. I am doing everything on the board. So is the board is visible to you, Danya?
No, ma'am. Your camera is off only. I'm not able to see you. Yes, ma'am, your camera is off.
Let me check.
No, ma'am, your camera is on.
I know, my dear. This is just a network issue. I know this is just a network issue from their side also. Now you log out and log in again quickly for a minute. Yes, Manya.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Mantra, please doing. Yes, Manya.
No, ma'am. Sorry.
It's okay. So if 4675 and I'm writing 974 like this, and I'm doing the right way?
No, ma'am.
No, because it's 974. Please always when you subtract also write their places at the top so that you should know where you are writing your numbers. 4, 7, 9. Nothing is here, 0. Now 5 minus 4
Yes,
is
ma'am.
what?
Now I can see you. 1.
Okay. 7 minus 7 is what?
0. 0.
0. 6 minus 9 is what?
7.
6
Ma'am,
minus 9 is 6 minus.
Borrow.
Yes, 6 minus 9 is not possible.
Ma'am, 6 will become 16.
16 and 4 will
4
become
will become 3.
16 minus 9 is?
7.
And 3 minus 0 is?
3.
This will be your answer. Now you also take any number of digits, subtract them with any number of digits and tell me the answer. And please write the terms that this is your minute, this is your subtrahend, and in your worksheet also when you do, you also please write these terms. I'm telling you the spelling again. MINUEND, bigger numbers. SUBTRAHEND, subtrahend. And the answer is difference. DIFFERENCE. Please start writing. Do one sum each child in the chat box. Fast. Do one sum each child. Please do one sum in the chat box. I'm expecting from everyone. Let me take attendance. And one word problem also. Story problem. You can frame any story based on subtraction. Take any story based on subtraction. Yes, Vishruth has done. Let me check. Not only, I don't want only answer. Vishruth has done in a good way. He has written the minute also, subtrahend also, and the difference also. This way I don't want the direct answer. Mantra, are you doing any sum in your notebook? Please do it in the notebook and then write it in the chat box. And if you're not able to write in the chat box, just show your notebook that you have done one sum, and please mention their words, these names also. This number is called what? This number is called what? This number is called what? That also to be mentioned in detail and write the proper answer question.
Okay, ma'am.
Do at least one sum on this and one sum on word problem.
Okay, ma'am.
And please show me your notebooks once you are done. And Anne, I can see you, just you are moving around. Please sit at one place.
Ma'am, subtraction or addition one.
What we have done today, that topic only I will discuss, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Subtraction.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We have to do word problem in our school rough book or notebook?
Notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Do one subtraction sum in notebook and one word problem based on subtraction in notebook. And please show me your notebooks.
Ma'am, we have to not send in the chat box.
Once you have done in the notebook, you can write in the chat box also. And please show me the notebook also. Done, Moksh?
I'm doing.
Very good, Neva. But Neva, you need to give them the names also, that this is minute, subtrahend, and difference. Once you keep on repeating them, then only you will learn the terms. This child is doing what? Divit is not doing anything. Divit, why you just sitting in the class, my dear? Why you just sitting in the class? You're not doing. Divit, you know what you need to do, or you not aware till now?
What have to do in the notebook?
One subtraction sum and one word problem based on subtraction. Write your own digits and subtract them. Divit, what you know now? What we need to do? Are still you not aware? Not aware, or you aware what you need to do? Yes, I can check this child has done, Manya. Yes, Manya, please show me. Minute, yes, and subtrahend is this, and the difference is this. It's 16 minus 7. 9. Okay, 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. Yes. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
This way, can you all pin those who have a confusion? Manya, can you please show them? Those who have a confusion, they can please pin Manya and do the sum like this. Manya, write date and C.W and write the topic subtraction. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
First, you show them, everyone. Take 4 or 5 digit numbers and subtract them and write their heading, their names also. And minute spelling is wrong. M-I-M you have written, that should be M-I-N. M-I-N-U-E-N-D.
We will
take six numbers.
Any, either 4 numbers or 6 digit numbers, any. Okay. But it should not be 1 or 2 digits. It should be more than 1 or 2 digits.
Ma'am, we have to do a subtraction sum and a story sum, no?
Yes. Story sum also based on subtraction. Yes, I am going to pin mantra. Mantra is also written. Mantra, but the spelling the names which you have given them, it's wrong. I have written that side also. If you see my board from here, I have written the complete spelling of subtrahend this side. This side was not coming. So I have written this side. M-I-N-U-E-N-D. S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D. And D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Now it is visible to you, Mantra?
Yes.
Please correct the spelling. M-I-N-U-E-N-D.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute yourself, Kashvi.
Ma'am, we have to do one word club and one normal.
Yes.
Of minus.
Yes.
What you have written in last, I cannot spell it.
Which one?
The
This
last
one. Difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. I'm going to write in the chat box so that you can know. Okay.
Ma'am, what is second one? Subtract.
I am writing the spellings here. M-I-N-U-E-N-D. Minute. Then S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D. Subtrahend. And then difference is the answer. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Got it? The 3 terms. Subtrahend, minute, subtrahend, and difference. So your bigger number is always minute. Subtrahend is the smaller number. Difference is your answer.
Ma'am, see mine. I've written in chat box.
Let me check. Write in the notebook also. Dhyan Patel. Yes, 4,000 minus 2. Good. But take some big numbers so that you can do it properly. Okay. So thank you for today's class. Yeah, wait. Yes. Thank you. Wait a minute.